In the vast ocean, among the quiet, dark blue waves, there's a creature so alien, so utterly bizarre, that it redefines everything we know about life on Earth. The octopus, a being that has survived for more than 500 million years. This is no mere mollusk. It is an enigma. That can change its body in 1/5 of a second. It can morph from smooth, delicate skin into something as spiky and jagged as coral, an illusion so perfect, even the sharpest predators can't distinguish it. Some impersonate sea snakes or lionfish. Others advertise venom with electric blue rings to signal their venomous nature. Some move by utilizing just 2 tentacles in a remarkable stilt-walking display. Meanwhile, certain species are so large and mysterious that they dominate vast regions of the Pacific, showcasing their dominance in the ocean. But it's not just the camouflage that makes this creature so mind-bending. 3 hearts pump blue blood, which is laced with copper, making it resistant to the crushing pressures of the deep. A brain wrapped around its throat, a mind that can think with its arms. Yes, arms. Not 1, not 2, but 8 tentacles, each of them capable of independent thought. The octopus is a living relic from a time when creatures like it ruled the seas. And you stand on the precipice of understanding this alien intelligence, a creature that challenges all logic. The octopus is a master of camouflage. The octopus's survival skills are unrivaled. This creature's mastery of camouflage is not just skin deep. It's a biological miracle. With 3 layers of specialized cells, chromatophores, iridophores, and leucophores, the octopus can blend seamlessly into its environment. Chromatophores, the first line of defense, contain pigment-filled sacs that the octopus can manipulate, changing colors at will. These pigments, ranging from red to yellow, transform the octopus's body in the blink of an eye. But color is only the beginning. In 2015, researchers discovered that octopus skin contains photoreceptor genes, meaning they can see with their skin as well as their eyes. This system is controlled neurally rather than hormonally. While a chameleon's color change is hormonal and can take 20 seconds, the octopus's neural control allows for near instantaneous transformation. Beneath these pigment sacs lie iridophores, which manipulate light to produce shimmering blue and green colors, and leucophores, which reflect white light to give off a pure, ghostly glow. This trifecta of camouflage is controlled by the octopus's nervous system, allowing it to blend into its surroundings faster than the human eye can comprehend. But it doesn't stop there. The octopus's skin has papillae, tiny structures that allow it to change texture. From smooth to spiky, from soft to rough, an octopus can mimic the texture of rocks, sand, or coral in less than 1/5 of a second. Imagine being able to vanish in plain sight, transforming your body from something soft and vulnerable into something hard and unrecognizable. What's even more astounding is that octopuses are colorblind. They don't need to see color to become that color. Their skin has light-sensitive proteins, allowing them to detect brightness and shadows directly, making the ocean's dark depths their perfect canvas. To truly grasp the unnatural mystery of octopuses, we must peer into their unnerving alien nervous system. Unlike humans and other vertebrates, who are bound by the traditional centralized brain, our neural epicenter, the octopus, defies this foundation of biology. With a brain that controls just a fraction of its vast neural network, the creature possesses hundreds of millions of neurons, comparable to a dog. But here's the nightmare. 2/3 of those neurons reside outside the brain, scattered across its limbs like a twisted extension of its consciousness. Imagine this: an octopus alone in the deep, dark abyss must continuously assess its surroundings, adjusting its camouflage at lightning speed. It moves with an eerie precision, altering its skin tone and texture 177 times in just 1 hour. And its reaction time? Faster than a human blink, 200 milliseconds. A flicker in time where it can choose to survive or perish. But this is merely the surface. The octopus's nervous system is not just complex, it's otherworldly. While humans have around 100 billion neurons, the octopus possesses only 500 million. Yet the real horror lies in how these neurons are arranged. A mere third of them are in its brain. The rest are scattered throughout its arms, which have their own minds. Autonomous, thinking entities, making decisions without consulting the central brain. Even when an arm is severed, it continues to move, to think. Up to an hour after detachment, a rogue arm can still respond to touch, explore the environment, and recoil from danger. No brain required. This grotesque autonomy is not random. It's a part of its hunting strategy. The octopus's arms, blind to sight, are equipped to search dark crevices, probing the unknown, feeling their way to life or death. As the arms act, the central brain contemplates, strategizes, and remembers, an eerie, symbiotic relationship between the brain and its limbs. The octopus is a creature that cheats nature itself. With 3 hearts pumping copper-rich blue blood through its veins, it thrives in the suffocating depths where oxygen is scarce, places where no other creature would dare to exist. And its brain wrapped eerily around its throat reminds us of its unnatural origins from the abyssal depths. The most chilling revelation, however, is the octopus's ability to rewrite its own biology. With the ability to edit its RNA in real time, it defies the very concept of evolution, evolving on the spot, constantly shifting, constantly changing, always one step ahead, a living enigma. But there is one final, haunting twist. When threatened, the octopus doesn't just fight, it sacrifices its own body. A severed arm, cast aside in a desperate act of survival, regenerates, returning whole and perfect. It does not merely endure, it redefines survival itself. The octopus doesn't just cheat death, it taunts it, rewriting the rules of existence in a ceaseless, unnerving battle against time and the ocean's darkest depths. The octopus is not just a master of camouflage. It's a living Swiss Army knife of survival. Its arsenal of tools, whether physical or cognitive, are used with frightening intelligence and precision. Perhaps the most extraordinary of these tools are its remarkable mimicry abilities. In the underwater world, deception is a matter of life and death, and the octopus excels at it. Take the mimic octopus, for example. In the Lemba Strait, this species has evolved one of the most sophisticated forms of camouflage and mimicry in the animal kingdom. When threatened, it doesn't simply change color or texture, it impersonates other dangerous creatures. It can replicate the movements of flatfish, which slide across the seafloor in search of food. It can twist its body and mimic the slithering shape of a venomous sea snake to scare off potential predators. And if that isn't enough, it can even take on the shape of a lionfish, complete with its dangerous spines, effectively warning off any predator that dares approach. This mimicry is not random. It's a deliberate act of survival, a behavior that shows the octopus understands how its predators think. National Geographic explorer Dr. Alex Schnell has spent 15 years studying some of the world's most advanced shape-shifting creatures. During her research, she formed a unique bond with a particular day octopus. Their ability to disappear in an instant is a crucial survival tool against predators such as reef sharks. And then there's the coconut octopus, which goes beyond the simple act of camouflage. This octopus carries coconut shells across the sand, using them as mobile fortresses. It walks on two arms, a remarkable display of stilt walking. When danger arises, the coconut octopus can pull the shells together to form an armored shield. It's an intelligence once thought to belong only to humans, crows, or primates. Yet here, in the depths of the ocean, the octopus is using tools to defend itself, to make its environment work for it. But the coconut octopus isn't the only one with ingenuity. Far to the north, in the icy waters off Canada's Pacific coast, the giant Pacific octopus reigns supreme. The giant Pacific octopus, one of the largest species, has been observed using rocks to build hunting blinds. It moves between tidal pools, dragging rocks and creating ambush shelters to surprise its prey. This is no mindless creature. It plans, it strategies, and it executes. Even the blue-ringed octopus, one of the deadliest creatures in the sea, uses its stunning colors to advertise its lethal venom. Rather than hide, it flaunts its danger, an in-your-face warning to stay away. While day octopuses rely on camouflage and physical protection, such as shells and coconut husks, the blue-ringed octopus of southern Australia survives by doing the opposite, standing out. Small enough to fit in the palm of a hand, this species is among the most dangerous animals on Earth. Its bite delivers a powerful neurotoxin capable of killing an adult human within minutes. When threatened, or during twilight when its patterns may fade, the blue-ringed octopus activates light-reflecting cells that intensify its brilliant blue rings while darkening the surrounding skin. This high-contrast warning display signals predators, such as stingrays, to keep their distance. In the world of octopuses, every movement is calculated. Every tool is used to its maximum potential. And every decision is made with a chilling level of intelligence that rivals some of Earth's most sophisticated animals. As strange as the octopus's body is, its inner world is even more mysterious. For a creature that spends most of its life submerged in darkness, it holds a complexity that is both eerie and fascinating. One of the most mind-boggling aspects of octopus life is its sleep patterns. While most creatures sleep to rest, the octopus sleeps to learn. In the eerie depths of the ocean, scientists like Dr. C.E. O'Brien have uncovered a dark secret. Sleep is not just a passive state for the octopus. It is the key to its survival. For nearly 60% of its short, mysterious life, the octopus drifts into slumber. But this is no ordinary rest. During what is known as active sleep, a phase eerily similar to REM sleep in humans, its skin twitches, ripples, and flashes in violent color changes. The creature seems almost possessed, as if its very skin is trying to communicate in its sleep. In these frenzied moments, the octopus is not simply dreaming. It is downloading memories, constructing mental maps of its alien world, and processing the day's experiences. This internal upload allows the octopus to absorb unimaginable amounts of information in its brief existence. Imagine, for a moment, a mind that processes at this level, storing knowledge in ways we can barely comprehend, while time slips away too quickly for the creature to make sense of it all. But the most unsettling truth lies in the octopus's mind itself, a donut-shaped brain, surrounded by intelligence that stretches through its arms, scattered and distributed like a grotesque web of thought. It doesn't think the way we do. It feels, reacts, and survives in a way that challenges everything we believe about intelligence. It is as if this creature has unlocked the very essence of life, rewriting the rules in a language we can barely begin to understand. For years, the octopus was thought to be a solitary hunter, a creature of isolation. But a disturbing discovery in the deep, dark waters off Costa Rica has shattered this belief. Scientists have found a nursery of over 100 Dorado octopuses, gathered not in search of prey, but to protect their young in the eerie warmth of hydrothermal vents. These creatures, once thought to be lone, emotionless beings, have been found to form bonds, to care for their offspring in a way that no one expected. And then there is the dark sacrifice that haunts every octopus's life. After laying her eggs, a female octopus's body is consumed by an uncontrollable urge, a relentless, self-destructive force triggered by her optic gland. She stops eating, her body deteriorating at an alarming rate. For months, she guards the eggs without respite, wasting away in the shadow of death. Her final act is not one of survival, but of sacrifice. She dies, leaving behind a new generation to carry on the eternal cycle. In the cold, unforgiving depths of the ocean, survival is not just a matter of living. It is a delicate, haunting balance between life and death. It is shaped by connections that defy all logic, bonds that are formed in the strangest of circumstances, and sacrifices that are made in the name of the future. The octopus, in its dark, strange way, reminds us that existence itself is an enigma, fragile, fleeting, and full of shocking twists we can barely begin to comprehend. As you peer into the depths of the ocean, you realize the octopus is no mere creature of flesh and tentacles. It's a living blueprint of intelligence, completely separate from ours. Its evolution, shaped over millions of years, shows that intelligence can take forms beyond human understanding. Its unique evolution offers a glimpse into a mind that navigates an ever-changing world, reminding us that the possibilities of life on Earth or beyond are limitless. The octopus is a testament to the incredible diversity of intelligence in the universe, waiting to be explored. If this story made you see the ocean differently, take a moment to share your thoughts in the comments, leave a like, and subscribe to continue exploring the secrets of Earth's most extraordinary creatures. The deep still holds countless mysteries. Let's uncover them together. And if you want to learn more about the deep sea and the bizarre creatures that live there, check out the video on screen now. Trust me, you'll love it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.